Are dementia research studies transparent enough? Imagine trying to understand a complex puzzle where some pieces are missing or hidden. That's similar to how transparent dementia research can sometimes feel. While there has been real progress, transparency in dementia studies is still a mixed picture. Some initiatives are making data freely available, helping scientists worldwide verify findings and build on each other's work. For example, the Alzheimer's Disease Neuroimaging Initiative shares detailed datasets openly, leading to thousands of scientific papers that improve our understanding of how Alzheimer's disease progresses and how to detect it early. These open science efforts are widely supported because they speed up discovery and help develop better treatments. But transparency isn't consistent everywhere. When it comes to new tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning devices used in diagnosing or managing dementia, many lack clear information about how they were created. For instance, some devices don't share details about the data used to train them, including important demographic information like race or ethnicity. This lack of openness raises concerns about biases that could affect how accurately these tools work for different groups of people. If a diagnostic device is biased, it might miss early signs of dementia in some populations or give false results, which can impact care and treatment decisions. On a broader level, organizations and governments are trying to improve transparency. The US National Plan to Address Alzheimer's Disease, for example, regularly asks for public and scientific input to update research priorities. This helps keep research accountable and aligned with what patients and families need most. In clinical practice, guidelines are also becoming more transparent. The Alzheimer's Association's recommendations for blood-based biomarkers are based on systematic reviews and are designed to be updated as new evidence becomes available. This ongoing process shows a commitment to sharing knowledge openly and improving over time. However, challenges still exist. Privacy concerns can limit data sharing, especially when personal health information is involved. Proprietary interests may restrict access to certain research data or methods. Sometimes, research relies on regulatory pathways that don't requiring as much evidence, which can limit reproducibility and trust. When details about how studies are conducted aren't fully disclosed, it becomes harder for other scientists to verify results or build on them. For people living with dementia or those thinking about participating in research, transparency is vital. Knowing what a study involves, how data will be used, and what risks are involved helps build trust and ensures ethical standards are met. Researchers are increasingly aware of this need and are working to improve communication and openness. Still, more efforts are needed to make all dementia research as transparent as possible. In summary, there are many positive signs that dementia research is becoming more open and accountable, especially with data sharing initiatives and clinical guidelines. But gaps remain, particularly with new technologies and some regulatory processes. Continued focus on transparency will help improve trust, reproducibility, and ultimately, the development of better treatments for dementia. Always remember, if you're considering participating in research or seeking treatment, talk to healthcare professionals to get personalized advice based on your unique situation.